In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Charles Schwab account online. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do, in what order, and how to avoid the most common roadblocks so the closure goes through smoothly. First, prepare your account. This is the most important part. Before Schwab can close anything, your account has to be completely empty. That means selling any stocks, ETFs, or other investments you still hold. After you place those trades, give them time to settle, typically about 2 business days, depending on the investment. Once everything has settled, withdraw any remaining cash to your linked bank. If there's even a small leftover balance, the closure won't be processed. A quick tip here: if you're selling taxable investments, consider any potential tax implications and make sure transfers have fully cleared before moving on. Next, log into your Schwab account. In the upper right area, open the Support tab and select Contact Us. This is your hub for reaching the right team and seeing your available support options. If you don't see what you need right away, scroll through the page. Schwab often organizes contact tools by topic. To proceed with the actual closure, the fastest and most reliable route is by phone through their support lines. You'll start from the Contact Us page and select the option to call the appropriate team, such as general brokerage or client banking if you also have a checking account. Their customer support is available around the clock. When you're connected to an agent, be ready to verify your identity. Then say clearly that you want to close your account. The agent will confirm that your balance is zero and that there are no pending trades or transfers. Ask for confirmation of the closure and request proof, either by email or as a secure message in your account, so you have a record. If you run into an automated menu saying "Representative," can help you reach a person faster. If you prefer to start online, you can also use chat. Go to the official Schwab website, log in, click Contact Us, and choose Chat with a specialist. Chat is great for quick questions or to make an initial request, but be aware that some accounts can't be fully closed via chat alone. In many cases, a brief phone call is still needed to finalize everything. Once you've confirmed the account is empty and you've contacted support, you're done. Keep your closure confirmation for your records and you're all set.